How to use residential proxies for web scraping and data mining. Web scraping and data mining are all about accessing real-time information from websites at scale. But access means nothing if your IPs keep getting banned. That's why residential proxies are a game changer. They mask your activity by routing through real user IPs, making it nearly impossible for sites to detect your scraping. Let me introduce you to IP Royal, a top-tier provider of residential proxies. Whether you're pulling data from job boards, e-commerce sites, or real estate platforms, IP Royal helps you stay anonymous and efficient, right in the middle of your scraping routine. You'll notice fewer CAPTCHAs and more successful data pools. Their residential proxies are fast, legit, and rotate automatically. Want to give it a try? Join IP Royal for free using the link in the description. The best part? It works great with tools like Octoparse, ParseHub, or even custom scripts. Don't let blocks slow you down. Upgrade your scraping strategy with IP Royal.